In this lecture, we will going to learn about intersection operation. So what is the definition of intersection operation? The intersection operation defines the relation consisting of tuples that are in both R and S, where R and S must be union compatible. The result of intersection operation is tuples which are present in R relation and in S relation. So where we use intersection operation, if we have a problem that is find all the tuples that are in R relation and S relation. Intersection operation is denoted by intersect symbol. You know that union compatible conditions that the schemas of two relations should be same, but it is also depending on the dbms. So by using projection operation, we can select any column from any table. So here pi A is the column name and the pi symbol representing projection operation, and R is the relation, and intersect pi C is the column and S is the relation over table in any dbms. Here is the mathematical example. Set A contains 1 to 5 digits and set B contains 1, 3 and 6 digits. A intersect B is equal to the 1 and 3. Number 2 or 4, 5 and 6 are not included in this set because these are not in both A and B. Look at the example relation R and S. After applying the intersection operation, the result is here. The result is here only one record is available in R intersect S, which is from both. So 2 which is from both. And now we are going toward implementation. So here the database name is test data. One relation or table is R, which contains 4 rows 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively, and the S relation has 2 rows 2 and 3. So what is the schema for R? The simple schema: A, B are the column names, and in S, C, D are the column names. Go to console, clear the console, and after that, this is the very simple query. Select, make sure test data database is selected from R where A in select C from S. So execute the query. So only 2 and 3 rows are selected. So if we look at in R 2 and 3, and in S 2, 3, if I want to insert a new record, go to insert section and insert a record with ID C6 and DF. Go, and now execute the query again. By using up arrow, you can select the statement. Also the same result, because 6 not in R table and 1 and 4 are not in S table. So only the two rows are in S table. So these are the common rows in both tables. So these two rows are selected. In next lecture we are going toward practical example. So thank you for watching this video.